Hey guys, this is Taju22, and well, other than that little botch, forgive me for that one, but whatever. Up next is gonna be for the $1,000,000 championship, and up first is the $1,000,000 champion, Tyson Kidd. A little editor's note. I meant to put the $1,000,000 championship around his waist, but I accidentally put the Cruiserweight championship, so just ignore that. But anyway, here comes the $1,000,000 champion, Tyson Kidd. He's got the wrong belt. Wait, what? Oh, his $1,000,000 belt is being shined up, so he's just using a replica to... Oh, I get it. Okay, alright. Alright, thanks everybody. Well, that was Tyson Kidd. Well, here's his opponent, Cat Stevens. So yeah, Tyson Kidd is using a replica, at least for the time being.
I would have given you all of my heart, but there's someone who's torn it apart, and she's taken almost all that I've got. But if you want, I'll try to love again. Baby, I'll try to love again, but I know the first cut is the deepest. Baby, I know the first cut is the deepest. 'Cause when it comes to being lucky, she's hurt. When it comes to loving me, she's worse. But when it comes to being loved, she's first. That's how I know the first cut is the deepest. Baby, I know the first cut is the deepest. I still want you by my side, just to help me dry the tears that I've cried. 'Cause I'm sure gonna give you a try. And if you want, I'll try to love again. But baby, I'll try to love again, but I know.
So yeah, that was The First Cut is the Deepest, the original by Cat Stevens. Well, anyways, this match, yep, it's, well, even though it said the Cruiserweight Championship, it's really the $1,000,000 championship. It's just that the $1,000,000 championship has been brought in to be shined up and everything. So they're just using a replica toy belt to represent that championship. But other than that, anyway, in this match is simply a first blood match, and the object is to make your opponent bleed. So Cat Stevens has no trouble or no problem scratching Tyson Kidd, despite the fact that Tyson Kidd has said prior. Yeah, he said one other thing prior to his interview, and that is, "You be careful now. You scratch my face, I'll be scratching your ass." Which is to say that he'll kick his ass. Is basically it. An STO by Cat Stevens. And oh my, no, The Miz. And of course, The Miz has not forgotten, or how about, no, wait, excuse me. The Miz attacked Cat Stevens from behind. Only this time, Cat Stevens sees The Miz, but unfortunately, this is no disqualification, and The Miz can get involved, much to the chagrin of Cat Stevens. Right now, Cat Stevens is going right after The Miz. And a knee lift right to the side of the head, but now he has to deal with Tyson Kidd. And then a kick right to the back. And an elbow, a piercing elbow, right... A drop kick onto the floor. And now this is where the match gets real dangerous. And, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, folks, did you not see that? Leg drop. A slingshot leg drop. And that was, a unique count, and that was a great counter by Cat Stevens, but now a Russian leg sweep by Tyson Kidd to Stevens. So now the Miz is going to be out there, and this is bad because although Cat Stevens was able to defend himself, he's got to worry about the Miz now, and that absolutely sucks beyond belief. But I'll give Cat Stevens some credit. At least he's fighting. A clothesline onto the outside. And now Cat Stevens is going to go right after him. And now he's going to go right up to the Miz and step up to him. Uh-oh, Cat Stevens has a weapon. Oh, we kind of missed there, but... And Tyson Kidd beat him to the punch there. An enziguri, and of course the object is to bleed, and now Tyson Kidd was trying to bust open Cat Stevens, but not much luck there. Rammed into the post. Rammed into the post again and thrown back inside the ring. And a drop kick. And another one to Cat Stevens. And then a counter kick. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Arm drag. And another drop kick. And nope. DDT to Tyson Kidd, and then a kick to the back. Snap suplex to Cat Stevens. An enziguri to Cat Stevens. And a back body drop onto the floor, and now, there's that chair there, and a kick right to the side of the head. Picks him up. Death Valley driver to Cat Stevens, and forgive me for the brightness, but hey, whatever. I don't know what I could do right there. And a knee right to the side, and a knee to the head. But of course, Cat Stevens is still distracted by the Miz, but a DDT to Cat Stevens, and now some more punches right to the head of Tyson Kidd, but nothing doing. He does it again. Still no blood. And he missed. And a Russian leg sweep right onto the floor. And Tyson rams the arm once, twice, 3 times, 4 times onto that post. So his arms should not be doing too good, but whatever. Another Russian leg sweep and The Miz is on the opposite side. Thrown back into the ring is Cat Stevens, and Cat Stevens wanted to get, I don't know what, I guess Cat Stevens wanted to get away and try to recover as much as possible. Thrown back into the ring. A forearm, and then a kick right to the back of the head of Tyson Kidd. And a side headlock takedown. Then a kick to the back by Tyson Kidd, and now the match is back inside the ring. Elbow and onto the back of the head of Tyson Kidd. Wait. And a head scissors takedown by Tyson Kidd. And now some left hands onto the head of Cat Stevens, but he's not bleeding. Snap suplex to Cat Stevens, but Stevens fights back out. Back up. Inverted atomic drop. Leg sweep. And, okay, Tyson. Cat Stevens got up quickly before Tyson Kidd could do anything. And a roundhouse kick. Arm drag to Cat Stevens. And, what's next? Wait a minute. He's going to go for a sharpshooter, but it's not a submission match, and you can't win by submission. But this could definitely weaken him. And Tyson Kidd, what's he doing? Nothing! Nope. Jawbreaker right to Tyson Kidd, then a kick to the back. Oh, missed that enziguri. Bulldog. Yeah, Tyson, what are you doing? And then a kick to the head. This time he hits the enziguri. And of course The Miz is doing nothing but saying bad things about Cat Stevens. No respect at all for his elders. And I still don't know the name of that move. And another sharpshooter right to Cat Stevens, but there are no submissions in this. And then a kick to the side of the head. Another roundhouse kick. And now some punches to the side of the head. And Tyson Kidd is bleeding. Wow. Folks, your winner. And new $1 million champion, Cat Stevens. And of course, even though he's wearing the Cruiserweight Championship, yeah, the real $1 million belt is in the back, being shined up like I said before. But congratulations to Cat Stevens. So, but folks, stay tuned for the next match. It's going to be coming up shortly.